Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a recent Windows 11 build. This matters because changes require elevated access. Once done, create a restore point or export the registry so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar and switch Taskbar behaviors to auto-hide. This immediate step reduces clutter while we apply deeper changes. Make sure you follow each confirmation step to avoid permission errors later. Now you'll modify the registry to enforce hiding behavior system-wide. Open Regedit and navigate to the specified HKCU path. This targets your user settings. Create or modify the taskbar C, or use auto-hide all word entries with the documented values so the system recognizes auto-hide. This changes how the shell interprets taskbar visibility. After editing, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and back in to apply changes. Finish by locking the behavior if needed. On Pro or Enterprise, open Group Policy Editor and set policies to prevent users or apps from changing the taskbar. Make sure no app is forcing focus or showing persistent notifications because those will pin the taskbar visible. If the taskbar doesn't hide, restart Explorer again and, if required, restore the registry from your backup. This undo is the fastest troubleshooting tip. Finally, test with multiple windows to confirm the taskbar stays hidden as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.